Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. Amazon Web Services is conducting a free virtual event called AWS GenAI Day. So we'll see about this virtual event in detail in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And here is a small update regarding Coursera. So Coursera is a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies like Google, Meta, Amazon, Duke University, Stanford University. So if you are interested in buying courses from top companies or universities, then just go ahead and use Coursera. So instead of buying a single course in Coursera, you can opt for Coursera Plus, because Coursera Plus will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus courses, and you can get job ready certification programs as well. So if you are interested in Coursera Plus, check out the link in description and get it. So now let's move on and see about Amazon Web Services Generative AI Day, that is AWS GenAI Day. So this is going to be conducted on September 14th of 2023, and by participating in this virtual event, you can learn how startups are building with generative AI on AWS. So this free virtual event is for everyone. It doesn't matter whether you are a seasoned professional or if you're someone who's new to this field. It doesn't really matter. You can register for this event and you can use this opportunity to gain valuable insights about generative AI and how it is changing the world. We'll also see what are the exact topics that are going to be covered in this particular event. Before that, let's just see the timing here. So like I said earlier, it is going to be conducted on September 14th of 2023 and the time is given here. So based on your time zone, just choose it and attend it properly and learn from it. And here is the complete agenda of this AWS Gen AI Day. So it will start at 9 a.m. with the keynote sessions. There are 3 sessions in keynote, and then there will be 2 different tracks. One is business track and the other one is technical track. So business track will start around 10:15 p.m. and the technical track will start around at the same time, like 10:15 p.m. 10:15 a.m. So there will be 4 different sessions in each of these tracks. You can see what are those sessions as well. So for example, if you take the business track, the 4 sessions are teaching a generation to read, Gen AI's impact on education, and the next session will be generative AI, the next productivity frontier. Then the third one is a new chapter in experiential content, how Gen AI empowers creators. And the fourth one is seeing as believing, using AI to validate media authenticity. So these are the 4 different sessions for business track. If you come to the technical track, the sessions are going to be on these topics like build and deploy cutting edge Gen AI application with LangChain and Amazon Bedrock, data centric AI development in the FM/LLM era, conquering large scale inference, making generative AI work for you. So these are the topics which are going to be discussed in this generative AI day, that is AWS Gen AI Day on September 14th of 2023. So you can choose any one track and you can attend it and you can learn from it. All it takes is just around 2 to 3 hours. So if you are interested in learning about these topics, you can just make use of this free virtual event conducted by Amazon Web Services. So now let's see how you can register for this AWS Gen AI Day. So click on the link in description, go through all the details and come to this page. And here, if you just scroll down, you will see a form. So just fill out the details, fill in the basic details about you in this first form. And in the next one, you can just select the option personal here and just fill out the form. If you are confused about these things, you can just choose any option. If you are attending the event on a personal level to learn few things, you can just choose anything here, and then just set a password for your account, that is username and password, and just agree to the terms and conditions and do the human verification. Click on this register button to register for this AWS Gen AI Day. It's a very easy process, and once you've done with the registration, they'll send you an email and it will contain all the details. So you can follow those instructions and attend the event on mentioned date and time. So I hope you will find something useful in this AWS Gen AI Day. I hope you'll get to learn something new. If you want to get more updates about virtual events or online courses, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.